The zombie fungus, scientifically known as Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, often called the zombie ant fungus, is one of the most horrifying and mind-blowing examples of parasitic manipulation in nature. This fungus turns living ants into zombies, forcing them to behave in ways that benefit the fungus, before killing them and sprouting from their heads like something out of a horror movie. It's creepy, scientifically wild. Here's the shocking breakdown. How the infection starts. It all begins on the tropical rainforest floor. The fungus releases sticky spores that attach to an unsuspecting carpenter ant, usually from the genus Camponotus. The spore germinates, drills through the ant's tough exoskeleton using enzymes and pressure, and invades its body. For days or weeks, typically 16 to 24 days, the ant seems perfectly normal, going about its business in the colony like nothing happened. It's basically a slow, hidden takeover. Here are some chilling real-life examples of infected ants with the fungus erupting. The terrifying zombie phase. Once the fungus has grown enough inside the ant, it starts hijacking the host's behavior in precise, terrifying ways. The ant suddenly leaves its nest and wanders aimlessly, no more following trails. It experiences random convulsions that knock it to the forest floor. Then, like clockwork, it climbs a nearby plant to exactly the right height, around 25 centimeters above ground, the perfect humid, shady spot for the fungus. It bites down hard on a leaf vein or twig in a permanent death grip, mandibles locked forever. The fungus kills the ant shortly after. This death grip positions the corpse perfectly for spore dispersal, usually on the underside of a leaf in tropical forests, or twigs in other ecosystems. Check out this classic death grip shot. It's nightmare fuel. The fungus takes over completely after death. The fungus devours the ant from the inside out, using its body as fuel. Then, the ultimate horror show. A stalk, stroma, erupts from the back of the ant's S-head or neck. This stalk releases millions of spores, raining them down to infect more ants below, creating infectious, killing fields. On the ground, it's super host specific. Different ant species often get their own specialized version of the fungus. It's actually a complex of many species, not just one. The fungus doesn't invade the brain directly. It manipulates muscles and the nervous system with chemicals, turning the ant into a puppet. This horror has been around for at least 48 million years. Fossil evidence of zombie ants with death grips exists. The fungus even has its own parasites, hyperparasites that attack the zombie fungus itself. No, it can't infect humans. Sorry, Last of Us fans, we're safe from real-life cordyceps zombies.